Welcome to SaaS Product Enthusiast. It is time to review another SaaS product and to learn how to use them for our advantage. Hey there, I'm a SaaS content writer, and one of the things I do almost every day is to review different SaaS and tech products. You may ask me why. This is because I love help people understand the actual benefits and value of this product. I help SaaS brands communicate their product features in a way that's super easy to understand. And at the same time, I help users like you to decide whether or not a particular tool is worth adding to your tech stack or not. So it's a win-win situation on both sides. Now, I actually stumbled on a product called Scalenut. It is an SEO tool, right? So while I was doing a content research for an article I was writing, which is about top AI content optimization tools, and I thought this is interesting to use. So I went all in, tested every feature, explored every tab, and that's how this review was born. So in this video, I'm walking you through everything I found. We'll talk about how to sign up, every features that you will enjoy with the tools. We'll talk about how to sign up, how its article writer works, the content optimizer, the keyword planner, traffic analyzer, its pricing, integrations, and even some other add-ons that you might benefit from. So it even has one unique feature that I would love to show you. That's its AI image generator. I'm very sure bloggers will really find this very useful. So let's dive in to explore this amazing. Now, let's talk about how to sign up for Scalenut. Using Scalenut is easy. All you need to do is to visit the website scalenut.com, and on the homepage, you would see sign up, or you decide to choose a demo if you would love to explore or talk to the sales team. But you can start with the enter your email details and wait for an email verification to land in your inbox. Then confirm it. And yes, you also need to enter your card details up front, even if you are trying it for the first time. Not everyone likes that. So just putting it out there for you to know. A little heads up. Now let's talk about the article writer, because that's the first thing you will see on Scalenut's dashboard. This is one of Scalenut's strongest features that I think most writers or SEO agencies will find very useful. It gives you a full workflow from keyword to a ready to publish draft, like you can see on my screen. So here's how it works. You enter your target keyword, and the tool gives you a bunch of suggested titles, outlines, and writing tones. Then it builds out a full article for you. And it's not that bad. It's not bad at all. And you also have access to question sources from Google. People also ask the Reddit, Quora, and it has an AI image generation section where you have access to fresh insights, questions, and subheadings that you can add to your content. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Scalenut pulls in real-time data and uses it to create content that's very optimized for SEO. So which means you are not just getting AI fluff. It allows you to have full control. It checks what top ranking pages are saying and tries to match that quality based on your content. Then you can tweak the outline, remove sections, add new sections, rewrite paragraphs, because you are in full control with Scalenut. So I particularly love its AI question generation because it gives you relevant questions based on your topic, and it's very helpful when you want to fill content gaps or make your article more complete, comprehensive, and highly relevant. With Scalenut's AI feature, you can rewrite sections, you can continue writing just by highlighting what you already have on the page. You can use its Cruise AI feature to rewrite a section of your content, and that makes it very good because you have full control to adjust how your content looks like. For example, here I added a new subheading, and it's AI generator created a full paragraph for me, but I wanted it to be much more fleshed out. I used the Cruise AI to expand the section and also rewrite it as well. Another cool part about Scalenut is its AI image generator. So this one is pretty cool. Scalenut has an inbuilt AI image generator, which means that you do not need to start searching for images for your content. You just highlight a portion of the content, like at least 10 words, and it generates an image relevant to that part of the content. You can customize the type of image you want by choosing whether realistic, minimalist, or whatever. You can even choose the image dimension. So if you are someone who wants a big or a featured image, you can get it right on Scale Notes. And this allows your blog posts or any content you are creating with Scale Notes to look more visual without spending extra on stock images or design tools. So this can help, and it's also a time and money saver. Moving on to the content optimizer. This one is for when you already have a draft and you want to polish it up. You can also transfer what you have in the article writer to the content optimizer. It's just by clicking through all the elements you have by your right hand side, such as the optimize, the research, the internal linking, and question, just to ensure that you have a good SEO score. Scalenut gives your content a score. This is the score that Scalenut gives your content and then shows you what to improve in that content, like your NLP terms, keyword usage, content depth, its readability, word count, and even FAQs that your competitors are answering, but you are not. This is another place where the AI generated questions show up. It gives you ideas for what else to include so your content stands out and answers more user intent than your competitors. So it's like having a mini SEO expert embedded right in the tool. Scalenot also comes with a keyword planner that gives you topic clusters, search volume, keyword difficulty, and intent. You can create keyword plans around one focus keyword, and it shows you semantically related terms that can become blog posts on their own or supporting topics for internal linking on your website. I think this is great if you are planning out a full content strategy, not just writing one-off post. Then it also has a traffic analyzer. It's a more advanced feature though. This feature helps you to see how your content is performing over time. It tracks metrics like traffic sources, ranking movement, and shows you what pages are doing well and what not. Now, this might not be something beginners jump into right away, but I think it's a good tool to have in your toolbox. And another thing is that all these features, the traffic analyzer and the content audit works better if you've connected skill notes to your website. That way, skill notes will be able to track what is happening on your website and make relevant suggestions. Now let's talk about skill notes integrations and add-ons. Scale Note integration, it Scale Note integrates with tools like SEMrush, Copyscape, or any other marketing tools or SEO tools that you have in-house. And if you want some more integrations that are not listed here, you can as well request from Scalenut and they will provide it. Let's talk money. Scalenut offers a 7-day free trial, but like I said earlier, you need to enter your card details first. So don't forget to cancel if you are not planning to upgrade. They have different pricing tiers depending on how many words you need per month and what features you want. So it's not the cheapest out there, but considering everything you get, article writer, optimizer, keyword planner, image generator, the integrations and add-ons, it's solid value for money. Now, finally, let's talk about the interface. I personally like that it's clean. Nothing feels too overwhelming. The dashboard is organized and each tool is clearly labeled. If you are familiar with Surfer SEO already, it will be easy for you to also navigate around Scalenut. But like any all-in-one tool, there's a learning curve. So if you are new to AI writing or SEO tools, try to take some time to explore the tabs and features. But once you get the hang of it, it flows. So that's my full review of Scale Notes. If you are a content writer, marketer, or SaaS brand looking to speed up your content workflow and optimize for SEO, this is definitely a tool worth checking out. So let me know in the comments if you've tried Scale Notes or if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might find it useful.